Is carrier signal status missing on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix the carrier signal status missing issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Method 1. Enable or disable airplane mode. Slide down, turn on the airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds, and disable it. Method 2. Reset your iPhone. Give a simple reset on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple reset on your iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 3. Eject the SIM card and insert it back again. Often ejecting your SIM card and re-inputting back again can solve issues for network signal. After that, your problem will be solved. If you still have issues, then try out the last two processes. First off, try to update your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. If there is any new update, then update it, or if there is no update, then Method 4. Give a reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again. By following these processes, hope your carrier signal status missing issue will be fixed. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.